Hello, welcome. Can we look at the question 15B, the final one in section B, WASSCE 2025, further mathematics for Ghanaian students. Two balls of masses 70 kg, 60 kg move with velocities 3 meter per second and 5 meter per second, respectively. In the same direction, the balls collide and the velocities of the larger balls become 4 meter per second. After collision, we have to find the final velocity of the smaller ball if the balls move in the same direction. So this is basically momentum. We are going to deal with momentum in here. So momentum before collision and momentum afterward collision. Let's see if we can make a sketch. Let me see before collision. I don't have space to write so many things. Momentum before collision. So if I have the body which is having, let's say, the first mass is given to us as what? 70 gram, is moving with a velocity of 3 meter per second. The second ball, which is of mass 60 gram, moving with a velocity, this is going to be velocity 1, this is velocity 2, so 5 meter per second. So this is before collision. They are all moving in this direction. Then after they collide, they still move in the same direction anyway. So let's see after. So we are going to have this body still remain. Okay, let me just pick this as the mass of this is still m1. Now you have final velocity. Which of the two bodies is going to be larger? 70 and 60. This is going to be larger than what? The 60. So this becomes the final velocity of 4 meter per second. Then the second mass will now move with a velocity we are yet to find. So this is going to be the second one. So by putting them together, we can say that by the principles of conservation of momentum, we know momentum before. That is going to be, momentum is just the product of what? The mass times its what? Okay, by the principles of what? Momentum, which is going to be the sum of momentum before equals to the sum of momentum after. Sum meaning product of the mass and the velocity, mass and the velocity. So to be having m1 u1 plus m2 u2 should be equals to the final velocity. This is also going to be one. What do you call it? Final momentum. So m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So this is the conservation of what? Momentum. These tutorials are done in the playlist. You can check the mechanic, dynamic. You'll get these information. So now we are only going for substitution. The m1, we can deal with the 70 the way we have it. We can also convert the 70 into gram, like kilogram, which is gram to kilogram. So if we convert this, so that, okay, let me work with it. Since they are all going to be in the same unit, let's work with that directly and see if they will easily cancel out. Or should I move to the, okay, let's go with the kilogram. That make it 0.123. So 0.07. Then this is going to multiply the initial velocity of 3 plus then the mass, which will also be 0.06 multiplying 5, right? Yeah, 5. This will be equals to the initial, the mass. The mass will still remain the same, which is going to be 0.07 multiplying final velocity of 4 equals to the mass still the same 0.06 times what? The final velocity, which is the unknown variable we are looking for in that case. What do I do? Let's multiply. 0.707 times 3, I'm sure that will be that will give us 0.21 plus, let's multiply 0.06 by 5, and that will also be 0.3 equals to 0.07 times 4, that will give us 0.28 plus we still have to have 0.06 V2. I think we can work with that. I'm now going to put all this to one side. So first, this will be 0.21 plus 0.3. That value minus, because I want to get one line, not to truncate the writing. So this is going to be minus 0.28. And that will be given as 0.3. So I have 0.23 equals to 0.06 V2. So your V2 will now be 0.23 divided by 0.016. Let's see what that will give us. So from here, we can say that V2 will become 3.8833. So therefore, the final velocity of the smaller ball is going to be 3.83 meter per what? Seconds as the final velocity, which is also approximately 4 meters per second, meaning they might be moving with common velocity after they collide together, if we are to take a whole number. Alright, I guess the concept is clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.